Vinod.
Thank you, Siddharth. Thank you, Sarthak. Thank you, Dr. Gupta. I'm very happy, privileged that you invited me. Okay, थोड़ा और करीब. Thank you so much, Siddharth. You know, I turn a little reminiscent. It was before 2012 when Yashji was alive, Yash Chopra ji. Perhaps Ashish will remember. I also, when I met you here, I remembered. I learned those days, you know, because Yashji had financed one of my films, an English language film called Sins. So one day I came to know that a new project, new making has started for youth. It was a new vertical called Y Films, right? And Ashish was handling it. He invited Ashish upstairs where I was sitting with him in his chamber, 5th floor, I think, or 4th. And he introduced us very nicely. He was always very generous and warm. And then he says, विनोद जी को लेके जाओ, अपने मिलवाओ सबसे और करो कुछ इनके साथ मिलके. And Ashish very warmly, respectfully took me to his chamber. And his team came, I met them. थोड़ा मैं डरा क्योंकि बहुत young थे. And I was in mid-70s at that time, I think, or early 70s. But after talking to them, the energy that was outgoing, I became quite charged. और मैं निकला और अपनी गाड़ी चलाई. And sometimes what happens when you get motivated, your creativity comes galloping. So मैं गाड़ी लेकर के लिंकिंग रोड की तरफ आ रहा हूँ, तब तक एक बहुत अच्छा सब्जेक्ट मेरे दिमाग में आ गया. And I thought that I will turn around and go to Ashish just now. And when that lane came behind that cinema house, I should have turned right there. But I didn't. Suddenly, I became overawed. मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ यार? Because the impression was tremendous that it was a youth thing completely. और जो सब्जेक्ट मेरे दिमाग में आया, किसी ने उस पर बनाया नहीं अभी तक. उन दिनों वो बड़ी घटनाएं होती थी. You know, especially in Bangalore, people used to get beaten when they. So, मैं रुक गया, डर गया मैं आशीष के पास नहीं गया और कभी नहीं गया. Later on, I was to recall that Ashish did very meaningful films also. It has been my loss for so many years. Yashji so warmly called you upstairs, so my apologies. You won't remember it now, but my apologies. You see, Siddharth, in 1980, that was the time when my first film was released, on 7th March 1980. I made the film in London. I was an NRI. That film became my ticket to return to my motherland, because India was extraordinarily warm towards my film. And we went to the first festival that we went to, my distributor, Gul Anand, took me to, was Tashkent Film Festival. In Tashkent, the official film from India was a very beautiful film about what we are talking today. It was a film made by Sai Paranjpai. It was a film called Sparsh. And Nasiruddin Shah and Shabana Azmi acted in it. Nasir played a professor who is blind, and Shabana works in that institution. She was in love with him, but it was a love ऐसा था ठहराव का, इसमें इंटरैक्टिविटी नहीं हो रही थी. दोनों जानते थे. वो बड़ा कमाल का था. उन्होंने जो बेसिक फंडामेंटल प्रॉब्लम है उसको ताल्लुकात में, रिश्तों में, भावनाओं में जिस खूबी के साथ पिरोया साई परांजपई ने. So that was my chance, my first one such film. which talked about, you know, what we are talking about today, challenged people. I saw some more, but as Ashish very correctly said, in which we both are responsible to an extent, he said, out of thousands of films which are made, and it was a very strong telling statement he made, and which is right, but there is very, very acutely deficient representation. I think it calls for a lot of challenge, corporation of energy. I'm not talking about corporate world. I'm talking about belief, commitment. पर भैया जैसा कि हम वो जो एक इंटरेक्शन अभी हाल ही में हुआ था, I still have to mention that because that is extremely important. आज कुछ भी कीजिए तो कुछ पैसा लगता है. It was my loss that I could have gone to you because Yash Chopra ji was keen that I do something. और बुलाया उन्होंने ऊपर बड़े प्यार से इसको कहा कि लेके जाओ विनोद जी को और से मिलो. और मैं नहीं गया, मैं डर गया क्योंकि दिस इज इट. जो बड़े एंटरप्राइजेस है फिल्म मेकिंग के, वहाँ पे सिनेमा इज वेरी मच इनटू हाई कॉमर्स, एस्केपिस्ट सिनेमा. टुडे इट इज इट्स extreme, the mainline cinema, Ashish will know lot more than anybody, any of us. ऐसे माहौल में ये माहौल अगर कुछ empathetic हो सके तो only a person of your standing, experience and commitment, which I am happy that I am sharing this dais with you, we have to search more of you, more people like you, and we have to align with them, we have to have their cooperation, but it can be done. हमने भी एक आध फिल्में किया है. मेरी ही एक फिल्म मैंने जिक्र उस दिन भी किया था. There is a film that I made. First I should mention about another series of mine which you don't know. That is called D-Line. Now D-Line means danger line. There are many people who become very disturbed at night. सुसाइड वगैरह करने के उस पर पहुँच जाते हैं, बच्चे बड़े सब. उनकी कुछ संस्थाएं हैं जो उन्हें समझाती हैं. रात में वो फ़ोन कर बैठते हैं, उन्हें इंगेज करते हैं. तो ऐसी एक संस्था से आइडिया लेके मैंने एक सीरीज़ बनाई थी, डिवाइस की थी, D-Line. उसका पहला ही एपिसोड जो था एक चैलेंज लड़की के बारे में था. Of course her circumstances were different. She was also the victim of incest at the hands of her own father. So complexity was more acute. And somehow that our first story of about 6 episodes was extremely liked by people. Very competent actors worked in it. Shilpa Tulasper gave outstanding performance. Amit Bahal, absolutely international performance. Natasha Rana, you have, I think, worked. So all that is possible, we can do that. But how did I do that? Because I was myself the head of a new channel which was started, which quit the field very quickly because I left, and that was Sahara. We were doing incredibly good work. तो वो सपोर्ट थी सहारा की. आज की सबसे बड़ी रियलिटी यही है. थिंग्स कैन स्टिल बी डन. आई स्टिल डू. आई एम मैड इनफ. मैंने 12 में से 6 फिल्में अपने आप ही बनाई हैं क्योंकि मुझे डर लग जाता है कि यार ये पास तो करेंगे नहीं. तुमसे लग गया, मुझे लगा ये नहीं पास करेंगे तो मैं गया ही नहीं यार. मैं पहले सोच रहा था अभी चलूँगा, फिर 1 सेकंड में ठंडा हो गया. मैं नहीं यार, ये बड़ी यूथफुल एनर्जी है, ये कहेंगे ये क्या ले आए. और बहुत अच्छा थॉट था वो थॉट कमाल का है. एक पब में एक लड़की जो है सेलिब्रेट कर रही है अपनी कोई एग्ज़ाम्स के बारे में, यंग लड़के लड़कियाँ बेंगलोर में, एंड सडनली जी राम सेना वाले टाइप मारते हैं, बुरी तरह से वो पिटती है. और वन ऑफ द बॉयज हु बीट्स हर इज ए फ्रॉम ए वेरी लोअर स्टाटा. ही वर्क्स इन ए हॉस्पिटल as a office boy, as a boy, and ये लड़की वहीं, उसको बाद में जब सब उसके साथी भाग जाते हैं तो उसी को दे आ जाती है. He has heart change, he takes her there. It would have made a very good story, but it was my loss, my cowardice, that I didn't go to you, because the atmosphere that we have in the corporate world, even at that time, was very, very uninviting in that sense, oppressive. Now to bilkul hi. I mean, there are two different worlds. You are talking about cinema. There are two cinemas today. Krishna Shah made a very beautiful film. A veteran filmmaker from Hollywood. His first film had bombed very badly with biggest stars of the time. Dharmendra, Gina Lolo, Brigida, Zinat Aman and all that, bombed badly. Picture was Shalimar. His second film that he made, I think he made from some anger from the pit. And that was Cinema, which became a celebrated success. What was the film about? It was more in the fold of a documentary. It talked about two cinemas, which we had divided ourselves unto at that time itself. आज तो बहुत ही हो गया है. What are those two cinemas? One is the cinema which is completely madly escapist. उसके लिए हर तरह की धन की थैलियाँ खुलेंगी, ये जानते हैं. और एक सिनेमा वो है जो पर्सनल मैडनेस का सिनेमा, मैं कहूँगा कमिटमेंट का है. उसके लिए कहीं कुछ उपलब्ध नहीं है. I think we have touched a very important issue, Ashish, and I'm so thankful that I am sitting with you. You are a man of resources. तुमको डिवाइस करने पड़ेंगे आइडियाज और गाइड करना पड़ेगा. I can promise you this. There are people who will do outstanding work for you. हम जैसों को शायद उम्र काफ़ी हो गई, आप ना भी लें, शायद हम तो मान लेते हैं. Although I have a one hell of energy even now, but at least we are able to churn out subjects, excellent scripts. ये वातावरण, ये माहौल, एटमॉस्फेयर तुम ही बदल सकते हो. तभी हम कुछ सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी का काम कर पाएंगे. थैंक यू सो मच.